Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use rice water for hair growth. So before I start this rice water treatment, I decided that it was best that I measure my hair or the length of my hair to see if I'll have any progress, and that is what I'm about to do right now. So I'm going to take my measuring tape and I'm just going to measure the length of my hair. So I'm just trying to measure and show you guys how long my hair is. And it's 6.5 inches and it was not so clear. So I decided to take a clear picture so you guys can see that. So that's how long my hair was before I started the rice water treatment. Now after you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, you're going to take the rice water and spray it all around your hair. If you want, you can section it. It makes your job much easier. So you can just do that and spray the rice water all around your hair and start massaging it from your roots to your ends. Please just make sure that you spray as much rice water as needed. Do not deprive your hair of the nutrients from the rice water. So I really have thick hair, so I sprayed a real good amount of rice water on my hair. Now after you spray and massage your hair, you're going to put a shower cap on your hair and leave it for approximately 30 to an hour and let the rice water do its job. So after an hour, you're going to rinse your hair with plain water, and that will be it. Now after you rinse out the rice water, you have to actually moisturize your hair because rice water is not a moisturizer. So what I do is I use my oil routine. I use tea tree oil and I use wild growth, and sometimes I do use coconut oil. So these are kind of like my go-to oils that I use and that have helped my hair really grow. So I'm going to start with the wild growth, and because it actually stimulates a lot of growth and it has done that for me a lot. So I'm going to use that as my base for my hair, and I'm just going to apply that on the 3 sections of my hair. And now that I've sectioned my hair, I'm going to go in with my tea tree oil, and this helps me to take care of the dandruff because you guys know I have a lot of dandruff, so this kind of helps me take care of that. So I'm gonna go in section by section, and I'm gonna make sure each line on my scalp gets a good amount of this tea tree oil. And after I'm done with the last part, of course, I'm going to get some tea tree oil and I'm just going to rub that all around my hair and I'm just going to brush it out or comb it out, and I'm going to put it in a protective style, and I'm going to do the 3 braiding pattern. The reason I like to do the 3 braiding method is I feel that it grips my hair more. If I do twist out, you guys, it will look so cute and pretty on the first day, but as my hair starts to dry out, it just looks weird, and so I prefer the 3 braiding method for me. Maybe when my hair grows longer, because it looks better on people that have longer hair, so their twist outs look beautiful, but for me it's a no for now. As I finish braiding, I do get a little bit of wild growth, and I put that onto my ends because you guys know your ends dry faster, so that helps the ends kind of stay a little bit moisturized. So that is why I'm adding a little bit more of the wild growth onto my ends, in case someone is wondering. So once I'm done with the braiding, I just go back in with the wild growth, and I go into the lines and the scalp of the braids, and I just add a little bit more just to make sure that we have enough wild growth onto the scalp. So this is how I use the rice water on my hair. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For me it is goodbye, and see you in my next video.